Hello everyone, jumping on to do a little bit of an impromptu live, just relaxing here on my chair at home rather in the podcast studio. Questions I've been asked like 3 times today. I didn't know you did that service, Scott, so I'm jumping on just to share what we do here at the Pillow Partners Group. We've been going for 20 odd years. A lot of people know me for service accommodation management, but I have a team of fantastic people doing a lot more than that. So what do we do? Our first service here, and it's what most people would know me for, service accommodation management. We do short-term rental management, holiday home management, service apartments, whatever you call it. We have done it for a long time, since 2002. So service accommodation management, creating you a hands-off business, give my team the keys. They're scattered across the UK. Link up with your local dedicated property manager. These guys are going to look after you. So essentially, give my guys the keys and they will create you a hands-off service accommodation business. Next service we do is residential lettings. So we've got quite a lot of properties, well over 300 properties that we manage. So if you have any residential properties in the UK, let us know. We've got a team of professionals, highly trained, highly qualified, and this is how I built the business in the early days. So residential lettings was my bread and butter, going back to 2002 again, and I set the letting agency, the department HomeSure, up back in 2006. So we're 20 years old, literally been a letting agency, 2 high street branches. Before lockdown, we gave them up. We're back to 1 branch now. But think about a high street letting agency, that's what we had. So we've got a team of experienced people there, and 20 plus years we've been doing this with the brand High Street Letting Agency. Next service that we offer is estate agency. So I set the estate agency up back in 2008, just when the credit crunch happened. I wanted to, when estate agencies were closing, I set mine up. We were specialising predominantly in investment sales, buy-to-let sales, but that's about 18 years old. We've been doing that, so sold a hell of a lot of properties, residential properties and investment properties. I've put Ayrshire in Glasgow because I always like to specialise. We can do other services UK-wide, but my estate agency team specialise in Ayrshire and Glasgow. If you're stuck, we can pass you to other key individuals, but any estate agency in Ayrshire and Glasgow, our office is in here. For the estate agency side, you can pop in and see the team, but Ayrshire and Glasgow for estate agency. Next service we provide, a holiday home partnership service. So we mentioned full management. Everyone knows what service accommodation management is in full management, but with the partnership service, this is geared towards those that like to be a little bit more hands-on, and it's a service that not a lot of agents offer. So with the full management, you give a team the keys, but with this, you may be local, you may be living next door, it may be an on-site property. You want to go and do the on-site stuff yourself, maybe the meet and greet, maybe the check-ins, maybe the checkouts, maybe you want to clean it yourself, but you're doing the on-site activities. It's our job to do all the technical stuff, get the bookings, get the money, get the guests all sorted, then we pass that to you. So we call that our partnership service, doing absolutely everything, but we work in partnership. We're business partners, but rather than giving you all the work, you can do the things that you do well. We stick to what we're doing well, and it's a perfect scenario to really give those guests a fantastic experience. Next service we offer is Partnership Plus. Now, I need to give credit to my fantastic wife, Emma, for this one, who's been part of Pillow for 10 years now. We created this service for those guys that didn't necessarily need a full property manager, wanted to be hands-on, got lots of experience, but needed some cover out of hours. So it's the opposite of a lot of services that we do, where we're covering some of your out of hours calls and doing lots of the support services. So we're here as your support at Pillow Partners. So the Partnership Plus service, really super popular, and it's serving a real niche for people that don't want to be on that phone, need some time off, need some holiday cover, and just need a little bit of extra support. Next service we offer is property investment sales. I told you we started doing this, and I set up my estate agency, my High Street Estate Agency branch in 2008, 2 years after the letting agency. And we specialise in investment sales. We do this Scotland-wide. So previously, we just did buy-to-let investments and holiday home sales. It becomes a little bit more complicated than that. So if you have a property in Scotland, because this system is different. Again, we can link you with our friends with agencies in England, but for us here at Pillow and HomeSure, Scotland-wide, we can sell you a property business, whether it's a tenanted property. I think we were one of the people to do this. Lots of people doing it now. We were one of the very first people to do this back in 2010 as a business, as a strategy. But if you've got an Airbnb service accommodation unit, we can sell that for you, and we can sell businesses like apart hotels, holiday cottages, buy-to-let portfolios as well. So doing a lot of this, especially in Scotland where the ADS is 8%, we can get around that for portfolios. So Property Investment Sales Scotland, reach out to us because we love doing this. Next service we do UK-wide is feasibility reports and business projections. This covers 4 different reports that we do for hosts. Whether you're thinking of buying a property and you want our team to do a feasibility report, is this going to work? What are the projections going to be? You can put it into ChatGPT and use these AirDNA type things to get projections. But if you're basing a future investment on this, guys, you want to really put time and effort. You need professionals to be giving you this, and we've been doing it a long time. So your local property manager or one of our HQ teams will be doing feasibility reports to make sure your future investment is going to be hitting the returns that you want, making an informed decision. Next part of this is doing stuff for mortgages. So we do lots of this every week across the UK, where mortgage companies and funding proposals need actual statistics, not like buy-to-let where you can just get a letter from an agent. You need to give them justification that your property is going to make that money and you can service that loan. So that type of thing. And business projections for thinking, should I turn my buy-to-let into an SA? Should I turn my SA into a buy-to-let? What happens if I split the title on that and make 2 separate units rather than a big 4-bed property? All of these things, our team are here to help you with that. A really, really great service, but it does make sense to pay to do these things, because we can spend weeks on these. The minimum we spend on a report is 4 hours, so I can't ask my team to do that for free. We spend a whole day doing some of these, but you can get good information to base your business decisions on and be strategic rather than just hoping for the best. Next service we do is offer a service accommodation franchise. I've put the word franchise because people know it, but we've evolved. It's now a partnership. We can help you set up a property management company. You can be one of our guys. Lots of webinars. You'll see lots of marketing on this. So with our partnership, we give you everything you need to set up your property management company. We built the property management side of Pillow up massively. We get the systems, the technology, the procedures. All I need is local people there. So we've got a few gaps in the UK. Most of the UK is gone, but we've got about a third of it left, I believe. So we're just looking for those key partners to become property managers, set up their business, work from home. You'll see lots of marketing around this. But if you've got a passion for short-term rental, for hospitality, for tourism, for being a great property manager, we can help you set up your business. You'll earn more money, you'll work less, you'll have a lot less stress. It's just a really perfect thing. And if you have the knack for property management, we'd love to get in touch. Next service we offer, property setup service for service accommodation. You're buying a box, you're getting a 2-bed apartment, it's empty. There's lots of things you need to get right for this. So our team will help you take this empty box and set you up a full service accommodation business. Give you all the stuff regards legislation, what you need to do for furnishing. Should we put twins in? Should we put a double bed? Do we put a sofa bed in? What's all the furnishings we need? We can link you with furnishing companies. We can get the legislation, get your safety checks done. So it's taking this empty box, and if you're not close to it, you can save like 60 hours worth of work. We'll link you with everything you need. We open up our black book, our power team, give you all the contacts to get everything set up so that your property is ready to go from day one. So our team spend a whole week doing this for you. Again, you can give them the keys, and they're taking your empty buy-to-let property, and out at the end pops a business, and it starts making you money. So the property setup service is really inclusive. It encompasses a lot, too much to chat in this 30-second clip. But guys, you need to do this right. If you're paying a little bit of money to get one of my team to set this up, you're going to make that back in the first month. You'll make that back every month moving forward. So you're going to get it done quicker than doing it yourself. You're going to get it set up properly. They'll do your pricing. They'll do the customer journey, the guest experience. They'll do absolutely everything for you. Next service that we offer at Pillow is help across the whole of the UK from our network of property managers. So our team are there for you. Some people want to use our team to go and do viewings because they're not close to get their opinion. The guys, you can get them to go and wait in for things to get deliveries. They will charge you for it, but our team of property managers are local and give you advice on what's happening locally, what areas to buy. They can do a little bit of sourcing for you. All of these things, they can help you. They can go and do viewings and narrow it down for you coming. So imagine working with Pillow, but you've got all that high-end HQ support of a nationwide company, but you've got the local property managers there helping you. So our guys are super knowledgeable. They often have ancillary companies as well, so they can give you access to their power team and help you set up your property. All of these different things, but I've kept that very generic, but our team are always out and about helping hosts, future hosts, and people that need it because they're the local experts. We've got one in each area. They're the guys that help locally. So you can utilise our team. You're going to need to pay for it, but we do have a team across the UK ready to help you. And the last service we offer, I'm putting here on this list today for this short webinar, is service accommodation consultancy. I open this up for one day. Myself and my wife Emma will sit. You can come up to our HQ, you can meet some of the team if you want, but we're going to sit and analyse your business. You can do it if you've got one property. It's definitely great to do it if it's one property, but you can spend the whole day with myself and my wife, who's the operations manager and super successful in her own right, but we'll sit and look at your business if you're facing challenges. You can come up and do it in person, which is often great, but we can do it via Zoom as well, split it over two half days should you want. But we want to dig deep into your property. I only do that one day a week because I want to build my franchisees' businesses. I want to help hosts, I want to help Pillow. So we just open this up for one day. So we just do 10 a year because we take 2 months off. So consultancy, if you've even got a competing management company that's gone through hard times, we're happy to help. We can open up that day. You can book us. As we say, we like doing it in person. You can travel up to just outside Glasgow, spend the day with us. We'll look at your business. We can tear it apart. We can rebuild it. We can do anything you want with it. You may have one unit and want to try and tweak some occupancy. And again, if you're coming and spending the day for us, the charge for that, you could probably make that back next month and every month moving forward. If we can use my 20 years experience, all of the team, all of the things that we have here, and utilize that to make your business better. It's super cost efficient. So thanks for watching. I just rattled off some. There's probably loads more that we do. I just made a very quick list to put them up onto the screen. So thank you for watching, guys. If you have any need for any of those services, email us over at hosts@pillowpartners.co.uk. Reach out to the team, wherever you see us on social media, DM or comment, but hosts@pillowpartners.co.uk. Thank you.